My name is Dr. Claudia Anderson from Family Dental Care Park Ridge, and welcome to another segment of Word of Mouth Wednesday. Today's topic came to me actually as a question from my husband. He's a big ice chewer, and he was wondering if ice chewing causes damage to teeth. There are a lot of people that actually chew ice as a habit. And while to some people that may be annoying, actually for me it's not at all. I've gotten quite used to the chewing of ice in our family. But I did do some research to find out about any damage that chewing ice may cause. And in fact, there is a problem with chewing ice. When you're chewing ice, the ice is very unforgiving. And while it may not do an initial amount of damage, over time it can weaken your enamel and create fracture lines in your enamel that can fracture off eventually. That, plus as you're wearing down the enamel when you're chewing the ice, you're creating less enamel and bringing your teeth closer to the next layer of tooth, which is called dentin. And dentin is much more sensitive. So it's not uncommon to find people that are ice chewers to have an increased sensitivity level in their teeth. They've worn away some of the protective enamel, and as a result, their teeth are a little bit more highly sensitive. So there are some ways of getting around it. If you're a person who happens to really like chewing ice, then you might want to consider crushed ice. So you get the same kind of satisfaction, but it's far less damaging to your teeth. The crushed ice tends to be a little more slushy, it's smaller pieces, and it's not causing very much damage. One of the pieces of information that I was researching was liking chewing ice to the geological ice formations that have over time, over thousands and thousands of years, broken down and destroyed rock formations. So ice is so strong and so unforgiving that if it can cause rocks to break down over time, if you're going to chew ice cubes over time, it's going to cause damage to your own teeth and your enamel. So if you need to chew ice, try crushed ice as opposed to the whole ice cube, and you should have no problems with that. So thanks to my husband Tony for giving me incentive for what today's topic is, chewing ice. And if you have any questions, as always, feel free to call our office or email me with questions or suggestions. I'm always looking for suggestions for new topics at info@parkridgedds.com. That's info@parkridgedds.com. And remember, as always, we love making you smile.